This lecture you will learn that how you can design YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Before just going into the tutorial, let me just tell you about its demand, where these thumbnail services are used. Now there are a lot YouTube channels like mine, and each of the video needs a YouTube thumbnail, an attractive thumbnail. This picture is the thumbnail if you don't know what thumbnail is, and there are a lot YouTubers who need these services. I'll tell you in the later in this course that how you can find the clients, how you can find the YouTubers very easily to just design their thumbnails. But first of all, let's just talk about its demand. So this is what you will be doing, and if you will search on Fiverr, and here you can see people are selling the thumbnail for $10, $20, $50, and getting 1K plus 400 and in thousands of reviews. It means they are getting hundreds of thousands of potential clients are available for this service, this single service, and you can do it easily using Canva. How to do it? Let's just talk about it. First of all, you just have to go to Canva, click on create design, search for YouTube thumbnail here, and here you can see YouTube thumbnail. So here YouTube thumbnail is created now, and from here you can just change it, sample its name, YouTube thumbnail. Now the basics of the Canva is what you can learn in the design school as well, and I'll also be telling you. But here you can see you have almost thousands of YouTube thumbnail templates from which you can apply a YouTube thumbnail. Now this thumbnail, let me just show you this thumbnail. All these thumbnails are created from the Canva templates. Here you can see you have hundreds of templates. First of all, these templates are also categorized, or here are like hundreds of templates are available. Let's suppose I want to use this template, but this template is with pro version. You need to get pro version to get most of the templates from here. So that's why I recommend using the pro version. Like all these most of these templates are with pro version, but you have free templates as well. So I'll just here you can see all the results, and these are the templates I have used recently to design my YouTube thumbnails. And from here you can get any of these templates. Okay, so you can just get this template as well. This is for free, or if you want to get it, let's suppose for example, let's just select this thumbnail template. So we have selected this thumbnail template. If you want to change the background color, you just have to click on background, and from here you can just go to color palette and you can change it to any other color. Like let's suppose I want it black, you can make it black. If you want to make this a square, you want to change this square, then you just have to go there and change its color. Or if you want to make it more bigger or smaller, you can make it. If you want to change the text color, you want to make it black or any other color, you can change it. And if you want to remove any element, here you can see you have the elements. And if you want to change the position of any element, like let's suppose you want to move this element at the back of this ribbon, so I'll just click on backward, and here you can see now this is at the top. And if you want to move this man at the top, just go to position and click on to front, and it's moved at the front. Okay, and if you want to change this color, you can change it. And these are all the elements, and you can change these elements as well. Let's suppose I want to remove this element, you can click there and remove this element. If you want to make this bigger, you can make this element bigger. And if you want to add more elements like this, just go to elements, and here you can search for any element. And there are also a lot pro elements which you require for which you require the pro version, and that's why I recommend Canva Pro free trial, so you can use Canva Pro for free. Then you will be making money from Canva, and I think $9 per month if you will get it for free for a year is not too much. And when you are making 900 or 1000 or $2000 per month, I think $10 or $20 is nothing. Okay, so that's how you can design YouTube thumbnails. Or if you want to do anything else, as I told you about the learn, because I cannot teach you everything, so you can just go to the learn section and learn a lot things. And now what's next? If you want to add the text, you can add the text. If you want to change the font of the text or change the size of the text, from here you can change the font and size of the text. And if you want to lock something, like let's suppose I don't want it to be changed, you can lock it. Or if you want to group 2 or 3 things, you can group these things, like click on this group, and now when you will select these, all these things are selected. And if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can just change their properties in a group. So that's how you can create a thumbnail, and then just go to share. And if you want to add animation into it, you can just click on animate, and you can add animation into it as well. Like let's suppose there are a lot animations as well. And then go to share, and from here you can just download that animation. Okay, so for SVG you will need a pro version, but if you because client would need this file. If it is a logo file, they would need it in SVG. So that's why again I recommend that pro version. So here you can just select this one, MP4, or you want to download it in PNG. Let's select PNG and just download it. And here you go, the logo file, the thumbnail file has been downloaded. And let's open it. And here you can see this is a professional thumbnail that you have designed using a Canva. And let me just tell you how to edit text. I didn't tell you, so just click on text, and from here you can change the text as well. Let's make it smaller. And if you want to just move it, just click there, and from here you can move it. So that's how easy it is to create a thumbnail using Canva. Now in next lectures you will learn a lot other things, so just stay in touch to all these lectures, watch all these lectures, and after that don't forget to watch the client tutorials as well.